Hi everyone. If you're receiving the Social Security benefit for years, you probably already know the routine. But if you recently signed in the payment schedule kept feeling confused, the good news is system is actually very predictable once of understanding how it works. The Social Security Administration follows the structured payment schedule designed to distribute benefits monthly across millions of the people, sending all payment on the one day. The system split this one based your birth date. This means two people receiving the same type of benefit could be paid on completely different day. In this video, I will show exactly when you April 2026 payment will arrive, who gets paid first, and what special rules could be changed on your date. Make sure watch till the end because one-time detailing can affect your May payment too. Let's start it with the standard Social Security payment schedule. Most beneficiaries receive their payment on second, third, fourth Wednesday of the month based entirely birth date. If your birthday fall between the first and 10th of your payment will be arrive on April 8th, 2026. If your birthday fall between the 11th and 20th, you get paid on April 15th, 2026. If your birthday fall between the 21 and 31 of your payment will be come on April 2022 2026. This strategy system help avoid delay to keep payment running smoothly of the millions of the people. Not everyone follow the Wednesday schedule. If you started receiving the Social Security benefit before March 1997, your payment will be always arrive on third of the month. So if you April 2026, this means you be already paid on April 3rd. Also, if you receive supplemental security income SSI, you follow the completely different rule. SSI payment are set on the first of the month, which means April 1st, 2026 in this case, since April 1st fall on the weekday and no delay of early payment this time. So depending your situation, you could be paid on April 1st, April 3rd, one of the Wednesday later in the month. Here the something that surprised lot of people. Some beneficiary wait longer than other their payment. For example, if a birthday fall between the later in the month, your payment don't arrive until April 2022. This almost 3 week after the first round of the payment on April 1st. This gap can be feel frustrating if you trying to manage bill and expensive. But remember, if you not delay, it's just how the system is designed. Once you know your payment date, you can plan your financially accordingly and schedule say constancy every month. Just way to avoid confusion, track your payment schedule based your category. Know your birthday group, understanding whether you receive SSI, and remember if you fall under the special rules. If you use direct deposit, your money usually arrive on the same day. But if you receive a paper check, it may take few extra day. So don't panic if your birth payment does not show the immediately and there every delay below a few days. You can contact the Social Security Administration for help. Studying inform the best way of the stay street free. Thanks for watching this video.